Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be making a candle holder out of Dollar Tree picture frames. And these are the items that I'll be using. First, I'll be removing the back and the paper from each picture frame. And I'll be using a total of 12 picture frames. Then I'll be gluing the backs of each picture frame to another. So now I will go from having 12 picture frames to a total of 6. And please excuse the smoke, I totally forgot I was burning an incense. Next, I'll be taking this metallic gold spray paint and spray painting the blocks gold. And now I will be gluing 2 blocks to each other and they will be creating the neck of the candle holder. And after I'm done with this, I will have a total of 5. Now I will be attaching the block to the picture frame. And I'm doing a total of 3 candle holders, so this is the middle candle holder, which contains 2 picture frames. Next, I'm moving on to my larger picture frame. As you can see, I already glued the block on there, and I'm actually starting to add Gorilla Glue. And that's just to make sure that the candle holders don't snap in half with all of the weight. So from smallest to largest candle holder, the smallest candle holder will have 1 picture frame, the second will have 2, and this is the third candle holder. As you can see, I already added crush mirror to the first one, and now I'm going to cover the second and third one with the crush mirror also. So I'm just adding Mod Podge, and my brush is way too big, but I didn't have a smaller one. I thought I did, so I'm just gonna wipe off the extra Mod Podge when I'm done, and I will be adding a crush mirror on top. After all the picture frames dried, I turned each candle holder over and added more Mod Podge and crush mirror. And by the way, I did get this crush mirror from Michael's. Next, I'll be using this square mirror that I got from the Dollar Tree to be the base of my candle holder. So now I'm adding the smallest candle holder to the glass. And I will also be doing the second and third candle holder the same way. Next, I added on another neck to the largest candle holder and the second tallest candle holder. Now I'll be taking this Gorilla adhesive spray and I'll be using it to add crushed mirror to the candle holder. And this is optional, and I use the Gorilla spray because it's quicker to dry and I didn't want the hassle of trying to put Mod Podge around with the brush. So after I let it dry for about 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna attach each of the candle holders to the top of my candle holders. And the candle holder is very sturdy. You might see it rock a little bit, but that's just because there was some crushed mirror still on top of the table and the glass wasn't balanced. And I'm going around the base of the candle holder one more time with glue, and now I'm covering it with Mod Podge, and I'm gonna sprinkle some crushed mirror on top just to give it an extra bling, and this is optional, of course. And after I did that, I let the candle holders dry, and this is how it turned out. I am so in love with these candle holders. They came out exactly how I imagined them to, and I had so much fun making them. Please let me know in the comments how you feel about these candle holders. Tell me if you like them, and let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, glitter babes.